Myself, Balkushwa, pursuing first year MMS from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today, my topic is a Bazaar movie. Bazaar movie is based on an Indian stock market. Saif Ali Khan is in a lead role. A small-time Allahabad stock trader Rizwan Ahmed Rohan Mehra arrives in Mumbai by flight. He is determined to work with his idol Gujarat financial maven Shakun Kothari. Rizwan bluffs his way into the society in the city largest trading firm and manages to convince them to give him a job. He ropes in a high-profile client with the help of his co-worker and girlfriend Priya Rai. He begins a successful career at the firm. When attending an event with Priya, he spots Shakun Kothari and gives a stock advice that turns out to be correct. Kothari then hires him as his broker, warning that he can never lose any of his money. After his first trade, when Kothari funds end badly, Rizwan is desperate not to lose Kothari account and illegally uses the insider information from Priya to regroup Kothari losses. Rizwan becomes close to Kothari and his wife Madhira Parikh, visiting Kothari's lavish home and relaxing on his yacht with Priya. Meanwhile, Kothari offers Rizwan a chance to make even more money when he learns that the government is going to begin accepting bids from telecommunicating companies for a new project. Kothari informs Rizwan that he has bribed a government minister to select a company called Skycom and the two can make a killing on the deal. Kothari gives Rizwan the money to buy Skycom and Rizwan becomes the company's owner. Rizwan convinces his new brother-in-law Anwar to invest all of his savings to Skycom's share. However, Skycom bid is rejected and Rizwan is ruined when Kothari sells off all his Skycom share right before the announcement of the bid winner. Rizwan discovered that Kothari deliberately set him to take the fall of Skycom for Kothari's own personal monetary profit, and that he arranged for Priya to influence him from the beginning. SEBI agents led by Rana Dasgupta detailed Rizwan for the insider trading through their real target is Kothari. Rizwan convinced them that Shakun has been using old school method which will not leave any evidence or trial behind. Using information from Madhira, Rizwan is able to prove that Kothari has been bribing a government minister with diamonds that smuggled via Surat Mumbai Karnavati Express train. Shakun is arrested and his family leave him. After the numerous court hearings, Shakun is summoned as Priya give in a witness to the bribes. Rizwan questioned her as to why she surrendered herself since Rizwan did not reveal her name. But she leaves Rizwan saying she deserved this. Shakun comes out on bail after a month and returns to his empty house, his wife and kids gone. He calls his secretary and tells him that the market bazaar is open, returning on his dates.